In this video, I will show you the simple maintenance that you should do once in a while with your SSP28 or any other gas pistol. The procedure is pretty much exactly the same. We will basically clean the barrel because that is mostly the only thing that you need to do when you have a gas-operated pistol. We have a dedicated video on how to clean pistol magazines, gas ones, CO2 and gas, so you can check that one out. It will be nearby, or if you are watching this on YouTube, you will search for it and you will find it. Let's take the SSP28 or other replica that you have, and we will start by checking that there is no magazine inside. If it's already in front of you, cool, leave it there. If not, check it visually, finger, and now we can proceed. We will lock the slide back and we will turn down the hop-up adjustment a little bit. In this case, we have the hop-up here. If you would have a different pistol, you take off the slide and you will decrease the hop-up. You will go in the minus direction because we want to put less pressure on the bucking. Don't turn it off completely because we still want a little bit to be able to clean the patch that is on the inside, which gives the BB the backspin. But if it would be too high, you know, the cleaning rod could get stuck in there. That's why we are turning off a little bit. In the case of the SSP28, we will put an Allen key here and we will turn a little bit in the direction of the minus. Half a turn should be completely enough. The next thing we will need is either NOVRITSCH maintenance kit, where you will have the cleaning alcohol, different lubrication options, screw glue, patches, foldable cleaning rod. But I do realize that not everybody has a NOVRITSCH cleaning kit, so I want to show you with regular kitchen towels and a regular cleaning rod that you get with other replicas. Super cheap plastic one to make it as universal for you as possible. I'm gonna take the kitchen towel and I'm gonna fold it exactly twice. That gives me the right thickness of the thing, and I'm gonna cut a few stripes. I usually discard the first one because it's not nice, and then I'm gonna make another 2 or 3, depends how dirty the pistol will be. Now I will need cleaning alcohol, rubbing alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, something to put on the patch that will dissolve the oils and stuff that is in there, and we don't want it in there. It doesn't need to be from the NOVRITSCH cleaning kit, it can be from hardware store, but we will need some solution to that problem. All right, I will put the patch here, and now what is important is that the patch is not too long to get to this thicker part. If we would stick it in the barrel and it would overlap like this over the thicker end, it would get stuck in the barrel and it could potentially damage the bucking. So what I like to do is to cut one or both sides a little shorter to make sure that it cannot get to the thicker part of the cleaning rod. Then I'm gonna apply a little bit of rubbing alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, something like that. And if you've overdone it and it's dripping everywhere, just run it over the rest of the patch. All right, now we take the pistol and we will put it in the barrel. You should feel a little bit of a friction. It's not going in there super easily. If it would just slide in there, you are not really cleaning much. We need a little bit of a friction, but not too much. It shouldn't be hard to put it in. There should just be a little bit of a friction. All right, now I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna rotate it. I'm gonna feel the bucking. The pressure increases when I go over the bucking. Now I know I'm about here. And I'm gonna carefully go over the bucking, just like that. We already see the end. I'm gonna remove the slide a little bit. Now if you went all the way through, you can wiggle it like this, and now you can pull it out to not break something on the way back. So you can clean it like this. Now we remove the cleaning rod and we inspect the patch. This one is pretty clean. If you see just a little bit like here, you can call it a day or you can clean it one more time. If it's way more dirty than this, just repeat the steps until you see something like this and you'll be good to go. Then you can just put it on the slide lock. You can let it ventilate. The alcohol from the inside will evaporate quickly if there is any left in the first place. Then you just drop the slide and you are pretty much good to go. Don't forget to set your hop-up back to the original location. approximately at least. So I know I did about half a turn or so, a little bit less than that, and now I am good to go to the field. This is the simple maintenance. This is pretty much the only thing that we need to do on a regular basis. If you are curious into more in-depth disassembly, assembly, and maintenance, there is other videos for that, so check those.